Okay. Hello.
Hello. Good morning, teacher.
Okay. Hello once again. Good morning. How are you there? Are you all okay? Okay, it's good. So, welcome back to our online class today. This is your schedule every Thursday, 9:10 to 10 a.m. Your mathematics class. So yesterday we have learned about length, right? We just finished chapter about length, solving word problems involving length. And this morning class, next chapter for the coverage for your midterm exam is about mass. You can open your book, you can follow, you can open your book to uh, page 158. 158. Okay, page 158. Okay, so you can follow. We will be talking about mass this morning. So as you can see here in this picture, these are the different types of weighing scale, right? So weighing scales are devices used to measure the mass of an object. Some of these some of these weighing scales are commonly used here, right? In the market or some other places. It depends upon the uses of each weighing scale. Okay, so these are the tools used to measure the weight of an objects, right? So in choosing appropriate weighing scales class, we can, we cannot use all the weighing scale to any objects. We need to use them appropriately, inappropriate to the object that we are going to measure. So for example, like this. So this weighing scale, the spring balance, we use spring balance to measure the masses of the things we buy, right? When you go to the market, in the groceries, yeah, we use this, or the store uses this spring balance to measure the things, the fruits, or whatever things we buy. So another thing here, this is, how do you call this one? Weighing scale. This is what we call the platform scale. Okay. In factories class, this platform scale is used to measure the mass of huge quantities of rice and flour. Okay. So 50 kilograms, 100 kilograms. So this is the appropriate weighing scale, the platform scale. You cannot put one sack of rice here in this spring balance because the number here in this example is up to 10 only. So more than 10, so we cannot use this spring balance. Right, so you can use only light objects in this weighing scale, spring balance. But huge quantities of rice and flour, heavy objects, we use this one. In factories, they use this platform scale. This is the appropriate weighing scale to use in factories. And this one is also the appropriate weighing scale to use in the market or yeah, in the store. Okay. So these are some measuring tools. This is physical balance. It is used to measure the weight of jewelry and medicine. This one. And another picture here, spring balance. Yes, that's what we have said a while ago. I have told you. It is used to measure the weight of fruits and groceries or grocery items. Spring balance, right? Another example here, another picture, another measuring tool is what we call body scale. So it is used to measure the weight of human beings. Okay, so body scale. This scale is appropriate to us as human beings. So we just step on this weighing scale, body scale, and then we will know this is digital. No? We will see the number. You can see the number, and will tell us how much or our weight, okay? Our body weight. All right, so this is yeah, string balance, and this is the another picture is balance scale, another measuring tools. So spring balance class, you can see here, right? Listen carefully, look at the screen. Spring balance, you can see here markings, okay? Spring balance has markings and a pointer showing the weight of the object. So there's marking here, 0. If no object yet, the pointer is pointing at 0, right? And then if you put something, and then that's the time the pointer will move and will tell you the weight of the objects. All right. So, and balance scale, the other picture here you see is what? Has two hands, where one of them has the weight and the other has the object to be weighed. All right. So this is the picture of the balance scale. There are two hands. Okay. So that's another examples of some measuring tools. Okay, so take a look at the here. Let's try to match the objects to the appropriate scales for weighing. What do you think is the appropriate object using this platform balance? Which do you think is the appropriate object here to measure? Huh? The boy, apples, or rice? Which one is the appropriate for this measuring tool? Huh? Which one is the appropriate? This one, right? Rice, yes, this one.
Rice.
Yes. So this is the appropriate suitable scales, appropriate weighing scale to measure this object, this rice. How about this one? What is this? This is
One.
yes.
One.
Balance.
One.
This one, right? Correct. So if you
Yes.
yeah, used to measure the weight of human being. So if you step on this weighing scale, so you will know the weight. And the last one, this one. Yeah, this is digital, right? This is digital. So we can, yes, we can see this weighing scale in the market or in the grocery stores. Just put the apple here, and then this digital, you can see the number, how many kilograms the apple is or are. Okay, so these are the examples how to choose the appropriate weighing scale according to the objects that you're going to weigh. Okay, let's proceed to the next. All right, so let's go to the standard units for measuring weight. Standard units for measuring weight we have here. I will just give you 3 units here. We have what we call kilograms. So the abbreviation is kg, kilograms, and the other one is called grams. Okay, G. Okay, symbol is G. And here in Thailand, we use kids, the term kids. So take note that 1 kilogram, how many, or 1 kid, how many grams? There are 100
grams.
In in 1 kilogram, how many kids? Do you know? 1 kilogram, how many kids? No. 1 kilogram is equivalent to 10 kids. 1 kilogram, how many grams?
1,000 grams.
Very good. 1 kilogram is equivalent to 1,000 grams. Right, like that. Okay. So don't forget this one. Very important to know about weight. That every one line, some weighing scale, some has many lines, right? This example here, 1 kilo is in kilograms. So one line here, small line, is equivalent to 1 kid, all right? 1 kid. So if you can see here, there are 10 lines. So 1 kilogram equivalent to 10 kids. You can see here, this one. This one is a little bit bigger compared to the other one. Okay, this one is 0 here. So every line is equivalent to 1 kid. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 1 kilogram. How many kids? 10.
10
10 kids. Okay. That one, like that. 10 kids. Okay. Right. And then this one is 1 kid, or how many grams? This is 1 kid, or how many grams each line? 1 kid is equivalent to 100 grams. Right, like that. So you can see here, one line is equivalent to 1 kid or 100 grams. So this one also 10 kids, 1 kilogram, or 1,000 grams. Right, like that. So memorize this one. Huh? You need to know this so that you will know how to read and tell the mass of an object. All right, let's proceed. So again, 1 kid is equals to 100 grams, 1 kilogram, 10 kids, 1 kilogram, 100 grams. Or we have also what we call hectograms. Okay, we will learn that next time. Okay, we'll add more. We'll just focus in this part here. We will learn that next time. All right. Look at here some examples. So this is the picture of a spring balance if there's no something here. Okay, if there's no something, if we will not put objects, but this is before weighing. Okay, we call this before weighing. And after weighing, if we put some vegetables, you can see here the pointer a while ago is 0 before weighing. But if you put something, the pointer will move and will tell you the mass of the vegetables. So now, what is the mass of the vegetables, or what is the weight of the vegetables? Huh? How is the weight? Can you see it clearly? This is in kilogram, kg. What is the weight? Huh? What is the weight of the vegetables? The pointer is, yeah, the pointer is pointing at 2. Yes.
2 kilogram.
Pointer is pointing at 2. So the weight of the vegetables is 2 kilograms. Like that. Okay. Next, look at here. Another example. What is the weight of the watermelon? What is the weight of the watermelon?
3 kilogram, 2 kg.
Okay. How can you or what are the other answer in grams? How many grams? If you are asked to answer this in grams, so what is the correct? What is the weight of the watermelon in grams?
Gram.
Yes. If you are asked to answer in grams, what is the answer? Huh?
3,000.
3,000 only. So this one is 3 kilogram. This first line here is 1 kid or 100 grams or 100 grams. So what is the mass of the watermelon in grams? This one is 200. Huh? The answer is the weight of the watermelon is 3,200 grams.
200.
Yes, 3,200 grams or 3.2 kilograms or 3 kilograms and two kids. Okay, do you understand? Okay, so these are the correct answers in different units. Next, look at another example here. What is the weight of the pumpkin in kilogram?
4 kilogram. 4 kilogram.
How about in grams?
Gram.
4,000.
4,000.
Yeah, very good. Because yes, because 1 kilogram, 1,000 grams. So this is 4 kilogram. The weight or the mass of the pumpkin is 4 kilogram. How about this? What is the weight of the packet of cookies? What is your answer? This is in grams. Okay, this is in grams. You can see here G, right? You can see here G. This is in grams. 100 grams, 200 grams, 300. What's the answer?
500.
Huh?
600 grams. 5 600.
600 what?
600 grams.
600 grams only?
5 and 5 grams. And 30 and 5 kid.
Okay. All right. So in this picture, you can see here the pointer is pointing here in the middle of 600 and 700. So this is counting by 10 grams. So 10, 20, all right? 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Oh, 50. What is now the answer?
600 grams. 5 kids.
So this is in grams. So this weighing scale is in grams. You can see here letter G in grams. So 100 grams. This small line here is equivalent to 10 grams. So 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. So here the answer is 650 grams. Right? So that is the correct answer in grams, 650 grams. Or in kilogram, 0.65 kilogram. Yeah. All right, that's the example. Okay, how about this? What is the weight of the bunch of bananas in kilogram? What do you think? What is the weight? What is the mass? This one is equivalent to 100 grams or 1 kg. Huh? Tell me, what is the weight? In kilogram. In kilogram.
80
80
kilogram.
This is
Yeah. 80.
80? No, it's not 80. 8. This is 8 kids. 8 kids. Or 800 grams. Okay? 800 grams. Or 0.800 grams. Or in kilogram, it's 0.8 grams a kilogram. Okay? So the weight or the mass of the bunch of bananas is 800 grams or 0.8 kilograms. All right, this example. Let's go to estimating mass in kilograms and kids. Let's go here, estimating. You know, estimation class is a quick judgment of any measurement. It's not really exactly what's the measurement of that object. Okay, it's only estimation, maybe close to the actual measurement or not. So it's not exactly. This is only estimation. For example, here, you have here the boy and the goat. We can estimate the weight of the boy. This one, the boy. We can estimate, maybe that boy is 25 kilogram. Okay. And also the weight of the goat. Maybe this goat is 10 kilograms. Okay. But if the actual weight for example, if we know the actual weight, we use the measuring tool to measure the weight of this tube. If the boy is 26 kilogram, then our estimation is 25. So the difference is, or the error, we call this the error, the difference is only 1 kilogram. 26 minus 25, like that. Okay, so very close to the actual measurement. If the goats weighs 12 kilograms, then our estimation is 10. So there are only 2 kilograms. The difference is 2 kilograms. Okay, that is I estimation, or estimating mass in kilograms and kids. So let's go here. Some examples here. Can you estimate the mass of the pack of washing powder if the mass of the bottle of cooking oil is 2 kilograms and 5 kids? Can you estimate? What do you think? Can you estimate the washing powder if the cooking oil is
2 kilograms, 5 kids.
That's only our estimation because we don't know, right? But based on this picture, we can say that the pack of washing powder is the same, as heavy as the bottle of cooking oil. So because you can see here, it's level, right? So we can estimate that the mass of the washing powder is not power. This is powder. Okay, sorry. It's powder. Okay. It's about 2 kilograms and 5 kids. But if we, how to confirm the mass of the washing powder? If we try to measure the what's this washing powder, the actual mass of the pack or the washing powder is 2 kilograms and 5 kids. So meaning our estimation is very close and correct. Okay, because the same. Next, look at here. If the mass of the dumbbell is 3 kilograms and 5 kids, can you estimate the mass of the stone mortar? This one, stone mortar. Can you estimate? What do you think? So here, the stone mortar is heavier than the dumbbell because it's not level here. You can see it's not level, right? So heavier than the dumbbell. So the mass of the stone mortar is more than 3 kilograms and 5 kids, or 35 kids. Okay. All right. So look at here. The mass of the pottery jar is 46 kids. This one, pottery jar, 46 kids. So this is the stone mortar. So the stone mortar is lighter than, because you can see here the balance. So it's lighter than if you compare this. So estimation, the mass of the mortar is less than 46 kids because it's lighter than the pottery jar. Okay, but if we know exactly the mass of a stone mortar, you can see here, the mass of the stone mortar is 4 kilograms. You can see here, 4 kilograms and 3 kids. So we can conclude that the mass of stone mortar is between 35 kids and 46 kids. So our estimation is about 40. So it's very close to the exact measurement of the stone mortar. So that is called what we call estimation. Estimation, okay? Let's proceed. We don't have enough time. 6 minutes more. Let's go to your book. Everybody, open your book. Page 161. 161. Everybody, look at here. Let's try to estimate which is the closest to the mass of the stapler. You know what is stapler, right? Stapler. So which one is the closest? What do you think? Stapler is a small object. Which one is the closest? 5 kilograms, 5 kids, or 2 kilograms and 4 kids? What do you think? Hello? Which of the object is the closest? Very close to this three. Which one is correct? 5 kilogram. Stapler. You know what is stapler? Do you know what is stapler? I forgot to put picture. I forgot to put picture. This is stapler. Yeah, this is stapler. You see it? What do you think?
Yes.
Yeah, what do you think? 5 kilograms, 5 kids, or 2?
2
2
kilogram for kids.
Very
2 kilogram
light.
for kids.
It's not what
5 kilograms.
it's not. This is very small, no?
5 kids. 5 kids.
I think the correct is 5 kids. Okay, 5 kids is small. Cannot reach 1 kilogram. Yes. Number 2. Number 2. Okay, which two items? Which two items? Which two items most closely balanced to the honeydew? Honeydew. Okay. Which two items?
น้ำซุปร้อนฮะ
Two items only from this: potatoes, bananas, papayas, oranges, or apples. Close to this one. 3 kilograms and 2 kids. Which one? Apples, right? Apples. What is the other one?
3 kilograms.
Apples and
3 kilograms.
Yes. Just estimate what is the items closely balanced to this honeydew. Apples and, because apples is 3. What's next? Papaya, correct? Papaya.
Yes, papaya.
Papaya. Okay, papaya. Papayas. These are the 2 items most closely balanced.
Banana.
Only 2 items. This one
Bananas.
Bananas is 2 kilograms only. 2 items only. 2 items. Okay? 2 items only. All right. So apples and banana. Let's go to the next. Okay, how about this? Oh, 2 minutes more. Fill in the blanks. The mass of the bag of red beans is less than or more than?
3.
Less.
More than.
Lighter.
More than.
Heavier than?
More than.
More than? More than. More than 2 kilograms and 5 kids. Next, letter B. Letter B. This one. The mass of the water bottle is what? Water bottle is less than, right? Less than
Yes. Less
less than
than.
32
No.
kids. Less than 32 kids. Oh, no more time. 1 minute more. Okay. Do you have any questions? I think that's all for our
No
lesson.
question.
Okay. So just study and you can watch this video again to review. So we don't have enough time. That's all for our lesson today about mass or choosing appropriate weighing scales and estimating mass in kilograms. So that's all for this morning. Thank you for
Thank
your time, for coming, and see you next time. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye. See you next time.
Thank you, teacher.
Bye-bye. Keep safe.
Thank you, teacher. Bye-bye, teacher.
Bye.
Thank you, teacher.